All right. So right now we're back for question number two. And question number two, they ask us to convert the angle in degrees to radians, and they told us to also round it in two decimal places. So the thing that we're gonna first do is convert from degree to radian, and then we're gonna round it. They give us the angle. The angle is 19 degrees. So in order to go from degree to radian, so you're gonna take the amount of degree that they give us. I'll choose D to make it much more easier. You're gonna multiply it by pi over 180. And if they gave us radian and they tell us to transform it, or to make it turn it to degree, the thing that you're gonna do is take the radian they give you, you multiply it by 180 divided over pi. So in our case, we have the first scenario, which is the degree to radian, and the degree that they gave us is 119 degrees. So we're gonna take the 119 degrees they gave us, 119, you multiply it by pi over 180, which is gonna give you 119 pi, because you're gonna multiply the 119 by pi, and you're still gonna have your 180. And the thing is, you can leave it like this. This is an answer, but you can simplify it, because the exam will take the simplified version, and you can initially start by try to reduce it by using 2 for each. So 119 divided by 2. 2 is about choice. So we're not doing 2. Let me try something else. 119 divided by 6. Say 119. Say 119 rate pi divided by 180. Yeah. Actually, there is no need to divide to reduce it. I tried to reduce it, that did not work. So there is no need to. Let me take it back to. Yeah, actually, there is no need to reduce it. You can just make the simple calculation. So you had 119. Oh Jesus. So you had the 119 pi, because you multiplied by pi and over 180. And when you put it on the calculator, so you do 119, and then you press pi, and then you divide it by 180, it's gonna give you 2.0769. But they told you to round it in two decimal places, so it's gonna be two numbers after the dot, this one. So you're just gonna go two numbers after it. Stop at 7, but because it's a 6 is greater than 5, because we start going up at 5, we gonna add a +1 on this, which is gonna give you 2.08 as your final answer. I hope I make it simple. I'm sorry if we're trying to make this thing complicated when it's really not that complicated. But just to wrap up a little bit. So you had your degree, right? 119 degree. So they told you to put it in radian. So the thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna multiply it by pi over 180, which is this fraction, pi over 180. And when you do that, you take your 119 degree, you multiply it by pi over 180. It's gonna give you 119 pi over 180. And then the thing that you're gonna do to find the answer is you put this on your calculator, 119 pi over 180, and it gave you something like this, 2.0769. But the question asks you to round it into decimal places, which means they want to have two numbers after the period, or maybe the dot. So in order to do so, you cut it at the 6 after the 7, which is two number. You have the two numbers, and because the numbers that comes after the 7 is the 6 is greater than 5, because we go up at 5, we're gonna add a +1 on the 7, which gonna give you the final answer, which is 2.08. There you go. So I hope you guys understand. And if you guys do not understand, feel free to let me know. I'll go over it again. And that was pretty much it for this one. So right now we're gonna cover question number 3. Thank you.